Hi, I'm Q, your digital water assistant at Qatium. Today, I'll introduce you to scenarios. You'll always find me here, at the bottom left of the screen if you need any assistance. In Qatium, you can test different situations and operations, assess their impact and gain valuable insights in a risk-free environment. That's what we call running scenarios. First, the Work Modes panel allows you to focus on specific tasks during a scenario. You have different options to choose from, depending on your goals and plan. Right below is the Network Versions panel. Here, you'll find two versions of your network. The My Network version is your base network. It reflects the state of your network on an average day. Whenever you test changes in your network, Qatium will automatically switch from My Network to My Scenario. This way, you can compare the two and evaluate the impact of the changes. To see more details about a specific element, you can hover over it for a quick summary, or click on it to see more detailed information, its physical characteristics and simulation data, presented in values or graphs. Some of these panels are also interactive. Use them to change element statuses and settings. The changes instantly generate a scenario, My Scenario, which you can find in the network versions. And, if you need to start over, you can easily delete your scenario and try out a new one. You'll also find a series of insight panels on the right side of the map. Use them to visualize key information on the current state of the network and to perform scenarios. Depending on your plan, you may also have more scenario plugins available. You'll always see them here. I hope I've helped you understand the basics of running scenarios in Qatium. See you in the next video.